गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी। आज कुछ चटपटा खाने को मन कर रहा है, सो लेट अस मेक आलू की चाट। आई हैव बॉइल्ड 4 pieces of medium sized potatoes and I have peeled the skin and I'm going to convert it into a very yummy, tasty, delicious, mouth watering chaat. So let us begin with the method. For aloo ki chaat I require potatoes. It depends how many members are there in the family. I am using 4 medium sized potatoes, a handful of green chilies, then I need coriander leaves, 2 chopped onions, and I will be chopping 2 tomatoes also. I'll remove the skin and then I will chop it into small pieces. Now let us begin with the process of making chaat. Cut the potatoes into small cubes and then wash and chop the coriander leaves, green chilies and the onions. Chop them all fine. Heat oil in a pan, cooking oil, any oil. You can even take sarson ka tel if you want, or any other cooking oil, and then add the once the oil gets hot, add the chopped potatoes to it. Deep fry the potatoes until they turn slightly brown from all sides. Keep on turning them. While the potatoes are getting fried, let us make imli ki chutney. Take tamarind, 3 to 4 pieces of dry tamarind, and remove the seed and soak it in water and then grind it to paste, and then add 2 big tablespoons of gur to it and give it one boil on gas. I have made paste of this tamarind. 3 to 4 pieces I had taken, removed the seed and the strings, and then mashed it in the mixer jar. And now I'm going to boil it with 3 to 4 tablespoons of gur. Give it one boil and then put it off and use this as chutney. I've added gur to it, and then I've added little jeera also, and salt to taste. Around half a teaspoon I've added. Now I will give it one boil on gas. Those are browning up nicely. Once they are nicely brown, remove them in a bowl. Yeah, they are done. I'll remove them now. The imli ki chutney is coming to a boil. Once it thickens, put off the gas and we can use this chutney. Now add the chopped tomatoes. 2 tomatoes, I have removed the skin and chopped them into slightly big pieces, not very fine. 2 onions, green chilies, that is as per taste, how tikha or meetha you like it. You can also not add chilies if you don't want to, but it gives a nice chatpata taste if there is little mirchi in your food. Dhania. Now mix all this up and then add juice of 1 lemon. Add juice of 1 lemon. Now mix all this up thoroughly. Now I will add the spices. I will add roasted jeera, half a teaspoon roasted jeera, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now since chaat masala is salty, then you be careful with the salt. Only if it is required you add. And little bit of rock salt you can add to give it a nice chatpata taste. Now to this I will add 2 big tablespoons, this one, of imli ki chutney. Little bit of Kashmiri mirchi powder also to give it a nice color and taste. Now mix this all up thoroughly. This is a very yummy chaat. You can use it as a side dish in your lunch, or you can use it on a sandwich. You can have it with puri, bhatura. It tastes very good. Now I have added 2 tablespoons of imli ki chutney to this, which has got gur in it, and I have thoroughly mixed it. My chaat is ready. You can sprinkle little save on this and keep one puri with it. My very yummy chaat plate is ready. Aloo ki chaat, chatpati, tikhi, meethi, swadisht, Do see my video, like, comment and share in case you feel like, and do make this chaat. It is a very simple chaat, very tasty. Everybody will love it, especially the women and the family members. It is a very yummy chatpata chaat and very simple to make. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. You can have this as a evening snack also. It is very filling along with a cup of tea, coffee or juice. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. God bless you. Oh my God, it is too tasty, too delicious. I want to just hold the whole thing and eat it up. It's yummy, just yummy.